Hi there, Richard Fontenay here, and welcome back to Explorations from the Fontenay magazine and my product review of CashSmash. Some of you may not know me. So over 35 years, I ran a bricks and mortar consulting and training firm called Fontenay Associates Consulting Services Incorporated, or FAXI for short. I am now an internet marketer, a content marketer, a blogger, coach, product developer, and owner of several websites. I'm dedicated to helping people become the best that they can be through personal growth and development. And if you're so inclined, click the subscribe button below and give a like or make a comment. And I really thank you in advance for doing that. Now, let's get on with the review of CashSmash. In a nutshell, CashSmash is a complete training program outlining 7 tried and true methods to achieve passive income designed for new affiliate marketers. And even those who have had experience will find some real value in CashSmash. And I can vouch for CashSmash, as I have used several of the methods described in this product. Behind CashSmash, there are 2 gentlemen, Bobby Dolce, affectionately known as Bobby D, and he is a product developer and internet marketer, and is the vendor of this particular product. And AJ Ekubia is the trainer and guide throughout CashSmash. And AJ has a pleasant voice and a really easy manner about the training. It was a pleasure listening to AJ in his training. Before we go any further, my bonuses. You will receive a 6-month free Fortress membership, which includes 95 videos and 19 ebooks and infographics and training and master classes, and covering 8 dimensions of personal growth and development, including physical health, mental health, emotional health, spiritual health, intellectual well-being, vocational well-being, financial well-being, and social well-being. And resources are added to a Fortress membership on a monthly basis. You'll also receive CashSmash, Working from Home Stress Busters. And this ebook explores major stressors from operating a business in the home and their remedies. Topics such as work-related relationships, family interruptions, workstation difficulties, shifting priorities, missing basics, administrative shortfalls, all of those kinds of things that when you're engaged in affiliate marketing and working from home are often become stresses. You'll also receive a personal branding blueprint, which is an educational and informational guide to strengthening your branding practices. It covers such topics as the what and the why of personal branding, and the steps to creating your own branding strategy, and the keys to critical personal brand and social media and personal branding, and the importance of personal branding and increasing visibility, and much more. You will also receive a fast-track nurturing list in building a relationship. As an affiliate marketer, you need to nurture and build relationships with your subscribers. And this guide will help you to ensure your audience stays on your list, tells others about you, and buys from you. And over time, some people may unsubscribe, and that's normal. So don't worry about this. It does happen, and it happens to all of us. And the key is to keep nurturing your subscribers and turn them into loyal subscribers. And this is for personal use only. And finally, I have a video for CashSmash, which is really living your vision with discipline. And this video covers the importance of your vision and why you need to live it with discipline. It includes such topics as time management, financial management, relationship management, staying on track, and controlling self and self-motivation. Now let's go over to CashSmash sales page and as well take a peek at the product itself. So if you bear with me, I'm just going to close this off and we'll move over to the other side. Hi, and welcome back again. And here we're at the sales page of CashSmash. And we could take a look at the headlines indicating that even newbies are cashing in on this particular program. It's pretty well pandemic proof and provides cash on demand and a system that banks us hundreds of dollars per day, the same day. And you'll have an introduction by Bobby D and AJ, and he introduces a rather funny YouTube introduction to this particular program. The methods that they provide, they just simply work. There's no experience or skills needed. They're really up-to-date 2021 methods. You can use it for unlimited marketing areas. It's easy to follow training, and I can attest to that. And it gets results the same day. These methods actually work because people have been putting them into practice on a daily basis for a very, very long time. They're systems and methods that Bobby D and AJ use consistently, and I have used as well. Some of the people who've indicated and thought they could to make money online. For instance, Nick had indicated that I know you may have bought some rubbish products in the past that made a lot of promises but couldn't deliver. And this is not one of those. Just pull the trigger on this one because I was deeply impressed with the $67 I received on day one of implementing these methods. And you'll have Bill also indicating the simple process that is being used, and Max highly recommending picking it up. You can read the sales page yourself, but there are a couple of points that I want to provide you with, and this will work for you if you want to make extra money from home. You want to make money as soon as possible. You've been affected financially by COVID-19. You don't want handouts, but you want genuine results. And you have been living on a budget for too long. And you have been looking for that missing piece to help you make a fortune online. Now, this is not a quick fix process. It is a slow process, but it is a process that works and works well. So don't expect that you're going to make your millions in day one or day two. You're not. This is a training program that will show you how to make money as an affiliate marketer. Now you can read the rest of the email, but one of the things that I want to point out is that the sad fact is that 90% of the people lose money online, and that's really because the game is rigged against you. And what Bobby D and AJ do is show you how to make money, and so you can be part of the 10% that make it rather than the 90% that do not. So you can read through this whole sales page, and all I can indicate to you is make sure that you click to access, and click to access through my link in order to get the in order to get the bonuses that I have outlined earlier. Now, let's take a look at what is inside this program. So just a moment and I'll get you there. Now, here we are in the CashSmash program itself. And the first thing that you'll see, you receive a welcome to CashSmash, a welcome from Bobby D, and also from AJ or Adam. The welcomes are very, very short and will bring you into the concept of what they're attempting to do in this particular program. And they will outline that this is not a quick fix, but it will make you money. The methods that are explored are identified very quickly. For instance, there's method 1, which is about flipping domains, welcome, and they go through step by step on how you get involved in domain flipping. Method 2 that they describe is launch jacking. And this particular one I looked at and reviewed in several areas and found it to be very, very thorough and worthwhile listening to and understanding, and as well as learning from. Method 3 is about Fiverr and all the things related to Fiverr. And method 4 relates to Quora profits and how to set that up for success, as well as how to answer questions in Quora profits, and so on. So method 5 is about product creation and introduction to product creation. Method 6 is how to do online surveys, and method 7 is how to actually do reviews. And then there's a section on upgrades, and there's an exclusive free bonus for you. So it's very simple to use. The training, though, is excellent. And I highly recommend that if you're into affiliate marketing as a beginner, this is an excellent program for you. So what is my assessment of CashSmash? Well, I've mentioned several times it's very easy to follow. It has very complete training on the 7 systems or the 7 methods that they outline. It is very, very newbie friendly, and it provides 7 methods to achieve passive income, including domain flipping, launch jacking, Fiverr, introduction to product creation, and more. So if you want to achieve passive income, you will not go wrong with this training. I give it a 4.5 out of 5. And in fact, it really is a 5 out of 5 in terms of the training that you receive. Again, my bonuses: a 6-month free Fortress membership, which includes 95 videos, 19 ebooks, and growing, training, master classes, and more, covering the 8 dimensions of personal growth and development. You will receive the CashSmash Working From Home Stress Busters, the causes and cures of the major stressors from working from home, the personal branding blueprint, an educational and informational guide to strengthening your branding practices as you move forward in the affiliate marketing world. You will receive a fast-track guide for nurturing your list and building relationships, which is critically important in affiliate marketing. And finally, you will also receive a video for CashSmash, built specifically for CashSmash, on making sure that you're carrying out your vision with discipline. So click on CashSmash below this video to learn more about the details and to access my link to in order to get to the bonuses. You can only get them through my link. And so make sure you take advantage of CashSmash. If you find it's a good fit for you, you will not be disappointed. Again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more explorations and reviews from the magazine. And click CashSmash link below. Take care now, stay safe, and be well. See you next time. Bye for now, and thank you for watching.